Let's start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Bring the arms up, palms together, and then bring the hands down to the chest. So inhale, hands together, exhale, bring the hands to the chest. So inhale, looking up, exhale, follow the hands down. So two more. Inhale, exhale down, inhale, and exhale. And bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around, swap the arms over, coming up and around. You're just in your own time with natural breathing. Okay, so I'm going to do these twisting through the spine. So imagine keeping still from the bottom of the ribs down and just twisting in that thoracic area. So just a small movement. So make sure the elbows stay back and relaxed. Crown up towards the sky. And we'll twist at the waist, trying to keep the hips still. Making down to the hips, the knees, and the ankles. And bring the arms down. Just imagine the arms are really heavy. Let the shoulders relax and just swing from side to side. Okay, we're going to come into chair pose. So feet together, hands to the chest, and we'll inhale first. Exhale, sitting back, bring the arms up, palms together, looking up to the hands. If that feels okay for you. If not, just try the modifications. Remember, nothing should hurt. Coming back to standing, so we're going to do two more, and we're going to add the star pose if you want to. So sitting back into the chair pose to start with. Remember, keep breathing. Now we're going to balance on that left leg, bring the right leg up, star pose, belly button squeezed in, lengthen the arms, lengthen the leg. And bring the leg down. So onto the other side. So chair pose first. So wherever you're at. And try and sink down a little bit. And then weight onto that right leg, and we'll bring the left leg up. And coming down. So standing pose, we'll do triangle pose. So we'll turn the left foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled, body facing forward. We'll inhale, exhale sideways to the left. Bring the left arm down, right arm up. And this may be as far as you get, and that's fine. Now come back to the middle. We'll inhale, exhale maybe a little further. side. We'll inhale. Exhale, reach as far as we can first. And then try and straighten up through the arms. And if it feels okay, lift up to the head. And come back to the middle, bring the arms down, and we'll turn the feet around. We have the right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled towards that front one. Shoulders above the hips, and we'll inhale, exhale. So right arm down, left one up. Keep that body facing forwards. Bring back to center. Inhale, exhale. Remember to keep breathing. If you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. And coming back. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Reach as far as we can. And then just coming into your triangle pose. And come on up, bring the arm down, and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. And take the shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we'll